I don't understand something. If rich people need money, why don't they just sell their stocks?
Because selling can be expensive. Sometimes borrowing is smarter.
Expensive? How?
Taxes. When you sell an asset like stocks or property, you often pay capital gains tax on the profit.
Right.
Let's say someone bought shares for $1 million. Now they're worth $5 million. If they sell, they pay tax on that $4 million gain.
So selling triggers a big tax bill?
Exactly. Borrowing doesn't.
So how do they get cash without selling?
They borrow against their assets. Banks are willing to lend money if you have valuable collateral.
Valuable collateral? Mm-hmm.
If you own millions in stocks, a bank might lend you a low-interest loan secured by those shares.
So they keep the asset and still get cash?
Yes, the asset continues to grow in value while they use borrowed money for spending or investing.
But isn't debt risky?
It can be, but wealthy individuals often borrow at very low interest rates. If their investments grow faster than the interest they pay, they come out ahead.
Okay.
If you borrow at 3%, but your assets grow at 8%, you're gaining the difference.
So they never sell?
Sometimes they don't. If assets are passed down through inheritance, in some countries the tax basis resets.
Wow.
That can reduce or eliminate capital gains tax entirely. So instead of selling and paying tax today, they hold, borrow, and pass wealth forward.
So rich people don't just earn differently, they manage money differently.
Exactly. They think in terms of leverage, tax efficiency, and long-term growth, not just income.
That's your aha.